this is part 3 of the Tiki Bar project. Oh, it's hard to see. Let's see if I can do that. There's Jake. So I did a roofing, uses all the bamboo that I could, every last piece, and I still had to do these cross supports where I ripped 2x4s, did half holes, copings for the bamboo. And the back goes up and down, so the front here goes up and down also. Right now it's about 6'2", and then when I level out the back so that it goes underneath the soffit, it all goes up to about 6'6", 6'8". This turned out nice. We're just gonna do a little glue and a little bit of lashing. This all comes together really nice, actually. One thing I learned, that bamboo is not the exact measurement all the way through. It is round, it grows like a tree, it's thicker at the bottom, and so if you think you are a great carpenter, try doing your miter cuts, compounding cuts with bamboo, different sizes. It is not easy. Rope, we're gonna do kind of like a Tiki Kev thing where he puts the rope right down that line. Even though the bamboo turned out really good, the cuts right around there turned out real nice. Drink mat.
Got a few little things there.
Things back here.
Like dirt. Jeff.
Oh yeah, there's our first Tiki Bar decorations. Who's that? That's Derp?
Yes, and Jeff and Jim.
Derp, Jeff, and Jim.
We got stuff.
So what do we got back
drink
here?
Mixer, whatever. But
oh yeah, we're already breaking out the stuff like we're gonna actually use
got
it.
Some fishing rope that
some fish net.
I'm pretty sure we're gonna like put all
underneath here.
I think that's a good idea.
So I'm zip tying everything before I lash it with rope. And I've got a lot of rope, but not as much as this project needs right now. But anybody does it, I highly recommend that you do your zip tie stuff first, and then go ahead and lash over the top of it. And that way you get everything. You get everything nice and tight and exactly where you want it, and then you can do the aesthetics afterwards. These supports are totally necessary here.
We got some like hay.
Thatching.
Yeah.
The thatching, we got to treat the thatching, so we're going to do that tomorrow. And it'll be a fully thatched Tiki Bar.
We have like 8 little nice, I think like Tiki.
It's 11 feet wide and a little over 5 foot, about 5'4" for the roof. So, part 3, Tiki Bar.